Section 3 of The Ideal Bartender. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Ideal Bartender by Tom Bullock. Section 3. Bonsoir, good night. Fill a sherry glass half full of shaved ice. Half a pony Benedictine. Half a pony creme yvette. Fill up with ginger ale. Stir gently and serve with a straw cut in two. Boston cooler. 1 lemon rind in large bar glass. 3 lumps of ice. 1 bottle ginger ale. 1 bottle sarsaparilla. Serve. Bottle of cocktail. Pour a quart of whiskey or other liquor desired into a bar measure or glass pitcher and add 1 jigger gum syrup, 1 pony curacao, 3/4 of a pony Angostura bitters. Pour back and forth from one measure or pitcher into another measure or pitcher until the liquid is thoroughly mixed. Bottle and cork. Brace up. 1 tablespoon bar sugar in a large mixing glass. 3 dashes Bocas or Angostura bitters. 3 dashes lemon juice. 2 dashes anisette. 1 egg. 1 jigger of brandy. Half a glass of shaved ice. Shake well. Strain into tall, thin glass. Fill with Apollinaris and serve. Brandy and ginger ale. 3 lumps of ice in a tall, thin glass. 1 wine glass of brandy. 1 bottle ginger ale. Stir briskly and serve. Brandy and soda. 2 pieces of ice in a tall, thin glass. 1 wine glass of brandy. 1 bottle plain soda. Stir briskly and serve. Brandy flip. Fill a medium bar glass 1/4 full of shaved ice. 1 egg broken in whole. 2 level teaspoonfuls of bar sugar. 1 jigger of brandy. Shake well. Strain into a small shell glass. Grate a little nutmeg on top and serve. Brandy float. Fill a cocktail glass 2/3 full of carbonated water. 1 pony of brandy floated on top. Use a spoon to float the brandy. Brandy julep. Into a small bar glass pour 3/4 of a wine glass of water and stir in 1 heaping teaspoonful of bar sugar. Bruise 3 or 4 sprigs of mint in the sugar and water with a muddler until the flavour of the mint has been extracted. Then withdraw the mint and pour the flavoured water into a tall shell glass or large goblet which has been filled with fine ice, and add 1 jigger of brandy, 2 dashes of Jamaica rum. Stir well. Decorate with a few sprigs of mint by planting the sprigs stems downward in the ice around the rim of the glass. Dress with fruit and serve. Brandy punch. Fill a large bar glass 3/4 full of shaved ice. 2 teaspoonfuls of bar sugar dissolved in a little water. Half a juice of 1 lemon. 1/4 jigger Santa Cruz rum. 1 1/2 jiggers of brandy. 1 slice of an orange. 1 piece of pineapple. Shake, dress with fruit and serve with straw. Brandy scaffa. Into a small wine glass pour green chartreuse, maraschino, old brandy, in equal proportion to fill the glass, using care as in preparing crustas not to allow the colours to blend. Brandy shake. Fill a small bar glass 3/4 full of shaved ice. 1 teaspoonful of bar sugar. Juice of 2 limes. 1 jigger of brandy. Shake. Strain into a small fancy glass and serve. Brandy shrub. 2-gallon mixture for 40 people. Into a punch bowl put the peeled rinds of 5 lemons and the juice of 12 lemons and add 5 quarts of brandy. Make the bowl airtight and set it aside. At the expiration of 6 days, add 3 quarts of sherry wine and 6 pounds of loaf sugar, which has been dissolved in 1 quart of plain soda. Strain through a bag and bottle. Brandy skin. Fill a whiskey glass half full of hot water and pour in 1 jigger of brandy. Twist a piece of lemon skin on top and serve. It may occur that a customer will ask for a little sugar. In that case, add half a small teaspoonful and stir. Brandy sling. In a whiskey glass, 1 lump ice, 1 teaspoonful of sugar dissolved in a little water, 1 jigger of brandy. Stir, twist in a piece of lemon peel, grate nutmeg on top and serve. Brandy smash. Fill a large bar glass half full of shaved ice, 1 heaping teaspoonful of bar sugar, 3 sprigs of mint, 1 jigger of brandy. Stir, strain into a fancy stem glass and serve. Brandy sour. Fill a large bar glass 3/4 full of shaved ice, 2 teaspoonfuls of bar sugar, 3 dashes of lemon or lime juice, 3 dashes seltzer or Apollinaris water, 1 jigger of brandy. Stir, strain into a sour glass, dress with fruit and serve. Brandy toddy. Into a whiskey glass drop 1 lump of cracked ice, 1 teaspoonful of bar sugar dissolved in a little water. Stir, place the bottle before the customer and allow him to pour his own drink. Bronx cocktail. Fill a large bar glass 3/4 full of shaved ice, 1/3 jigger dry gin, 1/3 jigger of French vermouth, 1/3 of a jigger Italian vermouth, 1 slice of orange. Shake well, strain into cocktail glass and serve. Burnt brandy. Place 2 lumps of cut loaf sugar in a small, shallow dish or saucer and pour over the sugar 1½ jiggers of cognac brandy. Ignite the sugar and brandy and let them burn for about 2 minutes. Then cover the dish or saucer with a plate, and when the fire is extinguished, pour the liquid into a small bar glass and serve. Buster Brown cocktail. Fill a large bar glass 2/3 full of shaved ice, 1 teaspoonful of gum syrup, 2 dashes of lemon juice, 2 dashes of orange bitters, 1 jigger whiskey. Stir, strain into a cocktail glass and serve. Buttered rum. In a tumbler, drop 1 lump of sugar and dissolve it in a little hot water and add 1¼ jiggers of rum, 1 piece of butter about the size of a walnut. Grate nutmeg on top and serve. End of section 3.